Question is, Ato, what do you think about your Senidoko's videos being sent at you?
I don't think much about it.
It's a mental game, man.
Not really. It's not really.
Not for you?
No, not really. It's all in the mind. But what he says, he keep it to himself. Like I'm coming to fight, and at the moment he doesn't look that prepared. I hope he comes to fight because it's going to be a big one.
Yeah. For some whatever reason, this coming Friday, Senidoko doesn't make it. Are you willing to face your brother here again? Putting him on the spot. He's not bad, man. Come on, man. I just got here.
He's my Fijian brother, but
yes.
we have to fight. We have to fight.
That's right. That's the name of the game.
That's the spirit.
It is what it is.